All right, this is an example dashboard of a clubhouse renovation or any type of amenity renovation, really, something that would potentially be interior. Um, and there's a few different links that you can see on the screen. You've got first choice contacts. Whoever your designated project manager would be listed here. These can change just depending on, the scope of the project. The project information, like your community address, as well as the scope of work that was agreed upon within the contract. And then the property contacts would be here. That could be anyone from a construction manager for your company to a maintenance supervisor or a property manager. Whoever at the site would be the main point of contact. We've always got resources here as well. We have a services link where you can view our services. You can look at additional bid requests. If you need an RFP completed by our team, you can visit our website. And if you've received outstanding service, then you can also give us a shout out. Scrolling down, you can see a really cool timeline section here. It shows lots of pertinent information about your project, how much longer you have left, how much progress has been completed, when we started, things of that nature. This is also really cool. The full project schedule really just outlines all of the different items that need to be filled out by our team in order for you to stay in the know on what's happening on your project. There is a full Gantt chart here with timing that just showcases all kinds of different pertinent information as far as the dates and when things are getting completed. And then you've got a section here that shows the upcoming 7-day tasks. So whatever's happening within the next week, that just basically shows start and finish. And then once it's completed, you'll see it change green here. And then from here, you can see progress reports. So in this example section, we actually have progress reports that are a little bit different because we want to just showcase some of the completion reports and progress reports that we've done. But if this was your or if this was your dashboard for your project, you could click on any of these picture sections here and it would take you to a Google Drive of the latest progress photos, as well as the progress reports here that occur weekly from our team to just kind of keep you and your stakeholders in the know of what's happening on your project. So yeah, that is the Clubhouse dashboard example for First Choice Construction.